Just think, it literally rained just down on me. The sky is clear everywhere around. And it literally, that little burst right there is raining down on me. It's crazy. Like, it's weird. Of course, it's someone working on the trailer. Got the door off and the trying to fix the bottom of the door, and it's literally just raining down on me. Must have needed it to be cool. So, how you take your door off? You unscrew the bolts holding it to the door. Unscrew the bottom. It was rusty. And then you have to undo a few screws on the side to get it out. And it's a 2x4. Basically, and I'm going with the green because it's rotted out a couple times. So I just sawed it really crappily, but it doesn't really matter. It's just going up against styrofoam in the trailer. But so basically, I just need to put the whole front fiberglass back in, and then screw this in to the sides with the L brackets that I have in there, and should be good to go. I'll take pictures and put them on my blog, thesecretisgratitude.com, and show the whole thing through description. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.